So you're gonna pour the
Egg? This?
the flour first.
Okay. In here or here?
In here. So we've put it in.
We add the flour in.
All right, so
I
now,
don't see anything coming out, Mommy.
no, we have to be patient, right? So now we're gonna pour the egg through this little hole right here.
Right here?
Uh-huh. So we're gonna do it gentle and slowly.
So we don't splat.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. That was almost...
Right? So it has to be very gentle and slowly. So Arya put some blue food coloring in there. Let's see what happens.
I don't see any blue. Do you guys see blue? Because I don't. This is our first batch of
Blue spaghetti.
blue spaghetti.
Or linguini.
Or linguini. Wait, I feel like we need to add some more blue.
Okay, so you cut it with this.
Yeah, I know. I'll add some more blue.
Ready?
I'm gonna add some more blue. Okay.
So funny. Also, I feel like it's a little bit dry. I think we have to do a little bit more water next time.
Yeah. I think we
So
need to
it's
go
a
to
little
number
bit
2.
dry. So we're learning a lot of things. So first, we're going to actually, next time we're going to add
Oh my god, it's so
our
weird.
coloring to the egg mixture. So
Yeah.
the whole pasta is evenly the same way.
Because some of it turned out like this.
Yeah. And so like it looks a little bit dry.
Yeah. Like,
And then
see? Skims,
we're going to put a little bit more water.
Growing.
Yeah, it doesn't stop.
This
Piece.
piece.
Okay, you want me to
I
hold
want
it
you
for
to
you?
hold it.
Okay, I'm going to hold it for you.
Thanks. And then we're gonna twist it so it doesn't fall down.
What about the other one?
Now this one.
Okay, so now we learned a couple things.
Yeah.
We learned, what did we learn from the first try?
So we have to add the food coloring inside the water with the eggs. So this was the one that turned out, and now we're making the other one. Looks a little purplish. You can't see it, but for us we can. Can you see it? Can you see it? Now we're gonna do the last one. So, like we said, we need the egg, food coloring to make it whatever color we want to. It's gonna do the other side. It's not finished. Anyways, now we're adding our powder flour.
So we're not adding it right now, we're just setting it up for
The next
the
one.
next one. So we did the linguini,
It's coming.
and now we're doing the spaghetti. So let's cut off those initial pieces. So I feel like those are, oh, it's a bit more moist this time. Definitely much better
Yeah.
mixing the color in.
Okay, I need the color. Okay. Oh my god, it's going more faster now.
Yeah. Because it's more moist, and so it's not as dry.
The other
So
one
it
was
can
very
go.
dry.
Yeah.
There we go.
So we want it long, right? Because spaghetti is sort of about this long.
Look at that. It's so warm and it feels more butter. Just let it go.
Is that good?
No.
Okay.
Okay, it looks so good. Just look at that.
The color, we may need to put more color next time because we only put 3 drops. And even though it has a hint of purple, I think because we put like 6 drops of the blue, it's
Okay, let's
shows it more.
let's add the more purple.
So based on what we've learned, we're gonna use about 6 to 7 drops this time.
Seven. Just 7. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
So we have the spaghetti, linguini, and now we're gonna do rigatoni.
Rigatoni, which kind of supposed to look something like this.
Yeah.
So
So we're hoping it can be like that.
So we had a couple of things that we learned.
Yeah.
The first time we learned that this one doesn't go first. This one goes first.
We for accent we accidentally like we accidentally they did not know for this one we have to add it in the egg. For this one
The coloring, we had to add it in the egg,
yeah.
right?
And for this one, we did it the same. We did not do it in the same way. Now it's like more moist. See?
So we added more water. So in this one,
Yeah.
didn't have enough water, and then we didn't add the coloring in the water mixture.
Yeah.
With this one, we made it more moist like we wanted, and we did add the coloring to the mixture, the egg mixture,
Yeah.
but we didn't add
Not that much.
enough. We only did 3 pieces, so it was supposed to be purple, and it looks more like a pinkish color,
Peach.
like a peachy color.
Don't add it on the other plate.
So now that we've learned all of that,
Now we added 7 drops
we
for
added
the pink.
7 drops,
For the pink.
and then we did enough moist so that the rigatoni is moist like this one is. So we learn in every step.
Yeah.
Wait, so first we turn it on. Where's the lid? You gotta select the amount of cups you want.
So how many cups?
How many did you put in?
1.
Okay. Hit it. Start. And give it a second. And then we're gonna gently pour the mixture. So this is interesting. I don't know what we're doing here, but it's not really coming out in the shape. So maybe we put too much liquid for the rigatoni and that one needs to be a little bit more solid.
This isn't the
But we have to wait until it actually comes out a little bit, right? Because they have to be about this long or so. So as you see, it's not really coming out in the shape. Looks more like mushrooms growing. So we'll have mushroom shape
Yeah.
pasta.
Yeah, mushroom shaped pasta because I don't think we added that much. I don't think we have to add that much water inside this rigatoni, right?
Yeah, maybe we you have to make it a little bit more drier for
Yeah.
this specific one.
Yeah. So this is what we're gonna have. It shouldn't be like curled. It should be straight. But it's curled.
Well, it will curl. It's just the ridges are really not.
That good. And we really thought it was gonna come out the shape it's supposed to. But at least we'll learn. Next time when we do this, we're gonna have to use it for a
Dryer,
a drier water for this rigatoni, and then this one no, and then this one no, but this one yes. So yeah. But
It's like mushrooms growing.
yeah, look. Ah! But at least it's pink. That's a pretty color.
Yeah, we got the color down.
Yeah, we got the color
Well,
down.
the light here doesn't really. It looks more brown, but for us, it looks really pink and nice.
Here.
Let's see. Yeah, looks better than what the yellow light is giving.
Yeah.
So
I guess we learned our thing. I guess we learned our lesson. I
yeah,
guess it was like a school,
a homeschooling.
a homeschooling spaghetti.
Homeschooling.
Homeschool.
Yeah. So we did linguini,
Spaghetti.
rigatoni,
Rigatoni.
and we learned something in each one. Like there was something going on with each one, right?
Yeah, so this one, let's test it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really bad. Let's test this
I think this was the most wonderful one. of
Yeah.
all.
I think this is the best
I mean, although these are cute in a
Yeah.
way.
These
right?
are cute, like the shape
Yeah.
and the pinkness. Yeah, it's cute.
And so
Okay, let me test this one.
you have to do something over and over again, right? Consistency in order to get better at it.
Yeah. Let's test this one. Okay, it's good. It's like half. It's not
So-
that good.
Hopefully, so if you're watching this, you would want to also make your own pasta
Yeah.
and eat it. I think we're gonna go for it.
I don't think we're gonna go for it.
Oh yeah, I think I would use this one for sure.
I think I would play with this, and you can go with this one, with the blue one. And actually, I'll play with all of these until I'm tired of using them.
You gonna play with all of them?
Yeah.
All right. So a major part of also cooking and kind of investigating and knowing what to do is the last part, which is.
Play with it.
But before that one, we clean up.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
that's the funnest part.
That is the funnest part, is to clean up.
Because then you touch more of it.
You get to play with this clay that was left here.
Yeah.
So now
it
we're gonna
even-
clean up and then we're gonna play with it.
Yeah. And I got the perfect game. It's like somebody choose which one they really like. And then if the other person don't like
it.
it anymore, then they look this much.
Ooh, look at all that clay looking thing.
I think I'm just gonna add it in here.
Okay. So if the person doesn't like it, then they give it to the next person.
Yeah. And then if the other person don't like it, they choose it from another one of these. There's only 3, so the person has to choose the one somebody's not using. They can't just, like, for example, if they will like this one and my mother will like this one too, you can't steal it from the other person.
You
have to-
can? No, you have to ask for it.
No, you have to wait until the other person is done with it, and then you can play with it, and then you can use it.
All right. So thank you guys for joining us on our learning pasta.
Yeah, and I hope you like it, and please subscribe to us. Subscribe to us, and I hope you like our videos. Bye.